Good, one more. There it is. Good, one more. There it is. Good. Nice. Hey everyone, Dr. Angie here at Kalkstein Chiropractic. We have Tanisha with us today, and we're going to treat whiplash. So when you have that neck injury, whether it's from headbanging too hard at a rave or whether you were in a rear-ended car accident and your head goes back and forward, that lurching motion, a lot of times you end up with the sprain strain, but also sometimes the stiffness that comes afterwards. We have a lot of fixation and stuff that we treat with that. All right, so I'm going to have you start out on your back for me. And we're going down.
Why have I never noticed those clouds on the ceiling in here?
Never?
Never.
They're in every room.
Literally, you know? I've been here since May. That's a problem.
What did your whiplash come from, Tanisha?
I've been in several car accidents actually, but my most recent one, I was hit by an 18-wheeler, so.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
That's aggressive.
Yes, so you can imagine my head was all over the place.
Yeah.
It was a lot.
I was gonna say, even in the most minor of fender benders, car accidents,
Yeah.
you can still have that whiplash because it's the unexpected, that jerk motion.
Right.
And it doesn't have to be much, and it's oftentimes at the C5, C6 area where it kind of just folds over, where that apex of our curve and like where the most of the force gets taken. So typically starting out, we're gonna go slow, we're gonna find that stretch, just kind of feel out the movement, whether the body can tolerate. But I found the fixation down low, and then we had a spot up high here on this right side. So, and just adjusting, you can get to the point where, especially with her, like you can adjust normal. Good. Very nice and easy. We also work into the mid-back because a lot of the muscles, like your levator scapula, your upper traps, they go down into the mid-back, so we do treat the mid-back as well. Little stretch. All right, I'll bring you back up and then I'll have you flip over onto your stomach for me.
Perfect. Feel like I have a whole new neck after that.
Oh,
Darn.
failed. It's just all sorts of shredded there. Okay, there we go. So we're going to start low here. Breath in for me. And breathe it all out. Good. One more. There it is. Good. We're going to get a little bit into this area here. There, you just kind of rock with me. A little pressure. Good. One more. There it is. Nice. Good here. Good. Nice. Awesome. And then just for you, I'm going to give you the lift with the hips. So I'm going to have one hand here, work our way up. Good. Awesome. We're going to do that same thing on the other side. Good. Awesome. And bringing you back up. How are we feeling?
Great.
Phenomenal.
Yeah,
All right,
I actually feel really good.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.